Thank you for being an Orbit customer and part of the B-hyve family. In this video, I'd like to show you how to install a B-hyve smart timer. To start, it is important to have the tools you need close at hand when you prepare to install your device. For a wall-mounted device, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver and the mounting hardware provided in the box. For a hose timer, you'll just need the timer and the applicable Wi-Fi hub. For wall-mounted devices, plug in your device in your garage or wherever you'll be mounting it. It's important to do this before mounting to the wall to ensure you can connect to your Wi-Fi. If you're having trouble connecting, please see our troubleshooting video linked below. For hose timers, simply plug the hub into an outlet and ensure you can connect. Let's check to make sure your device can connect to the internet. Download the correct B-hyve app, which has an icon that looks like this. Follow the step-by-step instructions. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password with you. Once the B-hyve app is installed, make sure you create an account or log in if you already have one. Then you'll be automatically taken to the Getting Started tab. Go to Devices. Follow the connection process and accept Bluetooth permissions so the B-hyve app can find your timer. You'll be prompted to update the firmware if required. Once you're on the latest version, you should be good to go. Now that you're connected, you're ready to mount your timer to the wall for wall-mounted devices or connect it to your hose faucet for hose timers. Hose timers are finished with installation at this point, and you can move on to programming. For wall-mounted devices, it's time to wire up your timer. Please ensure you unplug your device first before working with any of the wires. A live wire is a significant health and safety risk. If you are replacing a previous timer, remember to take a picture of the wiring before disconnecting the old timer, as it will help with this next step. Connect each valve wire to its respective zone and make sure your common wire is connected to the right terminal. If you are using a rain sensor, connect it now. If not, ensure the jumper is connected to both terminals. Your B-hyve timer is now installed and ready to configure. Orbit, changing the way the world waters.